Okay.
Calvin, great bounce back win from you in the group and naging motivation you to make it into the series.
I think every game naman is a motivation. Playing in the finals is a motivation for us to win. Kasi yun naman talaga yung goal ng every team to win a championship. So every game is a motivation. Yung franchise namin is a motivation for us. Yung mga binibigay ng bosses namin. Blessed na kami na umabot kami sa finals na to. And just happy na we extended this series.
Ulit pa kwento yung naging depensa nila this time, hindi na nakuntat ng year, medyo bakit nila.
Siguro yung turnovers namin yung so mali, lumiit yung turnovers namin kaysa nung nakarang mga games namin. So, yun lang. Next. Bigo. Oh. Yun yung mga bagay na talagang kailangan namin every game eh. Hindi naman nila kailangan umiscore ng malaki kasi knowing na dinidepensahan din kami yung mga kami ni Roger. So I think malaking bagay sila, crucial sila, nag-chip in lahat. Yun yung malaking bagay na nanalo kami ngayon.
Kasi nung last game, start with 0-3 ata ng first half eh, no?
Oo.
For this game?
Oo, due to frustration sa sarili ko sa outcome ng game, siyempre ayaw namin ma-behind, gusto namin tumabla yun, pero ganoon talaga eh, tapos na yun eh. Fall trouble din, so yun yung isang bagay din siguro, yun yung naisip ko rin sa after that game. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Alam kong mahal ko kayo.